Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Is your Udemy app crashing, freezing, or not opening? Don't worry, here's how to fix it fast. Let's start by checking our internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Udemy won't load properly with a weak signal. Second step, clear cache and data. For that, open your phone settings, scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Udemy. Scroll down and go to Storage. Then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This fixes most loading and playback issues. Third step, update or reinstall app. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and here search for Udemy. Locate the official app and check for an update. And if the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the Udemy app. Finally, restart your device and log back into your Udemy account. Everything should now work smoothly. And that's it. Your Udemy app is fixed and ready to learn again. Like and subscribe for more quick app fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.